Hello, viewers. My name is Ganesh Madda, and I am a CEO of 5 Minute SST and SST. We would like to welcome you to our ongoing cloud knowledge base series. In this ongoing series, today we are going to talk all about cloud and its security concerns and how successfully enterprise clients or a small medium business clients can migrate their application to the cloud. We are going to have a two series in this particular sub-series in this particular thing. In this today's series, okay, we are going to talk on one question and then next time another question. Our today's expert is Mr. Preshit Dalal. Welcome, Mr.
Hello.
Preshit.
Hello. Hi.
Preshit is a dynamic, result-oriented technology leader, highly experienced in a stack of Microsoft technology and a public cloud with Azure SME. He has 20 plus years of hands-on experience in many programming language frameworks and on legacy systems. Currently, he works as a VP of Cloud Engineering for European financial firm based in New York City and focuses on Azure, AWS, cloud governance, and cloud security. Throughout his career, he has worked in multiple roles such as software developer, team lead, solution architect in different domains for firms like AT&T, a telecom domain, a Credit Suisse, E&Y, GE Capital, which is a financial domain, CMX, which is a construction domain, eRevMax is a hospitality domain, Jenner is an insurance domain, CDM is advertising domain, and Marc Jacobs is a fashion domain. Welcome, Mr. Preshit Dalal. Okay,
Hello.
on this clause-based series. So today we are going to ask you the question one. Okay,
Sure.
the question one is public cloud secure than on-prem infrastructure, and how do we measure the security in KPI?
First of all, thanks for giving me an opportunity to talk about cloud security. And on your question, I would definitely say like there's a misconception of lot like mid-size and larger companies about cloud and security, right? They think like, okay, because the cloud is like not in as a part of our infrastructure, we don't have control of it, right? So we don't have basically we don't have resources to manage it and it's in somebody's hand. So that is true, but it's not exactly true. The reason being, when you say talk about cloud security, right, first thing is it's handled by a third party, the cloud security, who are experts actually, right? The digital certificates or any uh, teams which are more specific to encryption or even managing your infrastructure as a code, all those things. And it since it's hosted by the big players, right? Microsoft, Google, AWS, definitely it's in a good hands. And even the cost is like low infrastructure investment cost, so you don't have to pay too much as compared to what you do on premises. But even though if you are paying it low, still it's more secure because, as I said before, it's managed by the third party experts, data experts, and you can even scale the security. You can apply compliance, you can apply, security on policies on the application, databases, infrastructure. Everything can be automated and it can be even scalable, right? So if you have like 10 servers and you go beyond 50, imagine if you it was on premises, right? It would have taken like too many days. This can be scaled, even the security can be scaled at large level, so it's quite secured. And with regards to the KPI, I would definitely say like there are four things which we measure KPI on the cloud, public cloud. First is the return of investment.
Mhm.
So like to my experience, like there was like 400% plus return of investment on from migrating on premises to Azure.
Mhm.
And the second I would say is like even it saved a lot of time actually for migration, like
Okay.
around 70 to 80% of the time. So that's one of the KPI. And in terms of application deployment, basically it's faster service deployment because of the CI/CD pipeline. So even 50% of your time is saved. So these are some of the KPI measures I would definitely uh, try to point out.
Very good answer. Okay, and very
Yep,
detailed explanation.
sure.
Thank you. Okay.